Well, data warehouse automation has come to the fore now. It's really important. It's finally getting traction everywhere. Everybody's very interested in it because there are four goals, if you will, of the environment that automation can certainly play a part in. The first one is agility. If I have to turn on a dime, if I have to bring in new sets of data, new capabilities, new automations, and so forth, agility is paramount. Then the second one, of course, is productivity. I have to do it faster. I have to do it better. So that's a huge objective as well of automation. The third one, of course, is the reduced costs. Everybody's got downward pressure on the cost of their business intelligence environments. So automation can help you reduce the costs of your environment. Obviously, that's a good thing to have. And then the last one is one that people don't think about very much, but it's to create an environment where you have much easier maintenance. Once I've got it into production, how do I maintain this environment? That can be a black hole of resources and costs and everything else. And with automation, everything is spelled out for you. Maintenance becomes a very easy thing to do.